a huge match for Steve McLaren, and also a big opportunity for him to prove the doubters wrong. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. And I have to say that, boy, I've been getting a lot of stick. It means a lot of beat me I get in the past couple of weeks. About, not, well, a couple of days, I should say, about the performance from the Reggae Boyz. First match versus Cuba, because I said I was not pleased in regards to the result. I do think a lot of persons may understand that. But what happened is this. I'm getting a backlash, and the backlash is we passed the ball better, we created a lot of chance, and we had a lot of shot on goal. And apparently, because of that, something is happening. All right, not necessarily for me. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. This is the Jamaica versus Honduras. Honduras versus Jamaica preview show. No, I'm not gonna make it not gonna be elongating a long distance. No, I won't make it long. I'm gonna make it fast and snappy. I'm not gonna make it long, honestly. Anyways, let's jump into this game where statistics are concerned. You know, we have to go look into the statistics. Have a little look at the head-to-head. Let's see if we can look at this. The last time Jamaica played Honduras, Jamaica won 1-0 thanks to a goal from Demarai Gray in September 2023 at the National Stadium. I believe that would have been September the 9th. Then now, the last time both teams met in Honduras, Jamaica won that 2-0. That game was in 2021. I think that was the game with, was it the Dalton? Was it Dalton win his situation? I should believe so. Anyways, we're not gonna lament on that anyway. So, training has commenced. The Reggae Boyz are take part. Reggae Boyz are prepared for this game, and these are just some of the details surrounding the team. I have a possible starting lineup. I think this starting lineup may be somewhat something we need. It might not be something pleasing to you guys, but I do think this is something we need. No, I do think that a lot of persons might disagree with some of the inclusions that I have in a team, but I'm going to give, as best as possible, justifiable reasons to having. I do think, though, 1 and 2 players played really good in the last couple of games, but it most definitely limits us in some ways. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump in and meet. So I slightly went off track there. Anyways, back to business. All right, so this is a big game for McLaren, just to prove that, say, you know, it means business. What we saw versus Cuba, where possession is concerned, was not a fluke. But not only that, we need to put the ball in the back of the net. Most importantly, we could have possession from now till next year. We have to put the ball in the back of the net. Because at the end of the day, the results really matter. Cuba, I think Cuba got what they came for. They got the 1 point and they move away. Honduras now, they will make the atmosphere as hostile as possible to make sure, say, they got the result that they desire. All right, so for this game now, let me see if we can fix this now, people. Good. So, now see what I go on. So, this is my possible starting lineup, people. But I know I'm not going to cuss and things still, but I saw the thing said. Anyways, Andre Blake in goal. Lemmy Kisa. No, you see, Lemmy Kisa. People may not know if you don't know, but Lemmy Kisa, the last game, tired like a dog. If that blow through years. I don't know if you watch back the game, people, the amount of aerial ball will beat Lemmy Kisa. Just drop right behind him. All right, anyways. So we have Damian Lowe and Ethan Pinnock. I'm still going to make the defensive pairing remain. I will make the defensive pairing remain. For the left back position, I'm gonna go with Amari Bell. In midfield now, this is where a little bit controversial. Initially me not think about for bringing Kerai Anderson, but I go make the midfield stay a little bit. I'm gonna put an actual CDM in the team in John Russell. Now, I do believe though for the first half, Latibodier, I think he had a fairly decent first half. Second half, when we start have more possession, him really not make no sense again. Because his best attributes is tackling and winning the ball. So then the second half, him just basically like a little facilitator. That's a pass, run the ball. Anyone get the ball in, just pass stuff to the next person. So I'm not going to try to break lines or anything like that. So really and truly, I thought that even at the game, the first substitution could have make was actually pulling Latibodier and adding probably Norman Campbell around them, rather than pull on the attackers them. Because we needed goals. And we never need, if you have 4 right backers, you can pull a Lembikisa in the last game as well. And Latibodier, add more players. Because Cuba not even interested in trying to attack. Them does not ensure so them put all 11 or 10 players behind that ball to stop that ball from going that goal. And what we needed to do was put all our attackers them on the pitch to force the ball in that goal. But we didn't do so. Anyway, so for the midfield double pivot, I'm going to have John Russell and Casey Palmer. Not about Casey Palmer. John Russell and Casey Palmer. Now, the thing about this game is we might not have that heavy amount of possession. This Honduras team is not necessarily going to sit back like Cuba or come to try and scrape at one point. No. Honduras will go for it. Even though traditionally we normally beat them, most of the time we have a better record versus them than win against them, record of win against them than what they have against. I think we win them like 7 times. I think we have only have 3 defeats versus Honduras. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm not wrong there, so hopefully. Anyways, I shouldn't have shown the statistics. I'm in 100%. But as I said, we normally a little bit ahead of Honduras. Then now in the attacking lineup, as you know, me are bringing KAHEIM DIXON. Gray on the right, Bobby Reed in the attacking midfield position, KAHEIM DIXON on the left side. And up front, leading line, Mikel Antonio. Now, the reason I'm going to go for this attacking lineup here, yeah? When KAHEIM DIXON came on the other day, me not lie, him look like him come to change the game. He look like him definitely try to do something. Him really look like him come to inject something different within the game. And too much of the game when they look kind of plain, do the same thing over and over. When Dixon came on, we saw a bit of dynamism. We saw someone trying to take on players. We saw someone increasing the threat level that we have to offer. And we can't bother. It get too stale. I mean, it feel like the attack, the strike force, get a little bit stale. And me feel like if Dixon get one of them chances, I'm go put it away. I'm go put it away. People are going to me say, boy, yeah, force me, I force. No. Me not force him, man. I don't force him, people. Me not lie, if I'm being honest, Jamalo did not necessarily had the best of games. Both in first half and also in second half. He not even cover something that much. Lembikisa much. He didn't cover Lembikisa a lot. So Lembikisa technically struggled in many facets of the game because he needed help. But Lowe never did necessarily help him. At some of the time, a Bob Reed missy kind of come across to provide that support. So this look like my starting lineup. This is a starting lineup, my good people. I don't know, you might not like it, you might not agree with it, but I thought the starting lineup, me good. I don't think it's that bad. I think me go for some aspect of continuity in it. Some aspect of it. Some, not all it. I don't think it's much of a bad starting level. I don't know what you think about it. So tell me what you think, people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think KAHEIM DIXON deserve a start? No. Especially away from home. I don't know. I could see what you think now, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. For me, I'm looking to start KAHEIM DIXON. Maybe, just maybe, we might not see it. We might see somewhat similar to what we see last game. So what we see the last game was Andre Blake, Lembikisa right back, Luan Pinnock, and Amar Bell. That's the back 5. In the midfield, we see Latibodier as the all in midfield, the CDM, the Luan CDM. 2 number 8s in Casey Palmer and Bobby Reid. Outright wide out wide right, we had Jamal Lowe. Out left, out wide left, we had Demar Gray, and leading the line was Mikel Antonio. So it was a 4-3-3 formation last time. So we might even see that back. But for me, that me just put up to a while ago. And I do think that provide a little bit more balance. Because we are going to need, if we not control the midfield in this game, we're going to be in problem. And I'm not sure if Latibody are technical enough to really, really dominate the midfield where you have other technical players about. But he work hard in winning the ball. Or we could have probably pull Casey Palmer and bring in Latibody here because Casey Palmer is not necessarily that creative as I think. So I just have Bobby Reid here in the creative role. But I could be wrong. Can go anywhere. Can go anywhere on the field, people. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell us what you think in the comment section, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV here. Or out. God bless. Boom. Now,